Welcome back to another video, everyone. Look at this. We're gonna go trawling straight up on that lure and that lure.
Alright, try again.
Hey, welcome back to another video, everyone. Look at this. We're going for an overnighter out today. First up, we're gonna go trawling. We've got this bad boy here, a little stump jumper, and we've got, where is he? We've got this little one, big lure. So straight up, we're gonna try and catch hopefully some awesome fish. But then later on, we might do a catch and cook. Maybe look for a bit of a bust up. And then, you know what? I'm excited. So let's throw these lures out and start trawling. This is epic. Beautiful.
I don't know, but this increases the odds here for you, mate. The boys are out.
What could go wrong? Honestly, what could go wrong? Okay, my arm's already going dead. Alright, one snag, one lure change, and we're good to go. Alright, lost a lure, and we're back in.
Every chance we might catch a cold trout.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Yep, that's on. That's on.
Go, bro.
Yep.
Make sure he doesn't race you, bro.
Yes. Is this filming? Woo! Yes. First fish. Oh.
What do you reckon? I'm going to say a cod.
Yeah, small cod. For sure. For sure it's a small cod.
It's got to be, man.
Whatever it does, it
Doesn't want to stay up.
What is it?
Maybe. Oh, I see that.
Big barracuda behind
Did you see
it.
that? Oh my god. Look at that.
Oh.
Oh my
Whoa.
god. Oh wow.
And it's a mother-in-law.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, she's still there. Look, down there.
Where is it? Where?
Down there. It's huge. Yeah, look at it. Whoa, that was like a metre and a half barracuda then. I don't think you're gonna get him.
Nah, to be honest, it'd probably just bite me off anyway.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it? First fish in the boat. This is not what I thought I'd be getting in. Not on a trawl anyway.
Hold him up, bro. Show the camera.
Big slaty, little slaty brim.
Yeah, I'll get rid of this for you. Alright, go again.
Little slaty brim. It's not what I
Nice.
thought we'd be trawling up, but I'll take it.
Oh yeah, we'll take anything at this stage.
Yeah.
Already lost a lure. Changed about 3 times already lures, so...
So, a fish is a fish.
Hell yeah, that's a good one too. Let's take him off and throw him back, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Alright, we're gonna do the dive. I hooked the wrong fish. 3.
Hey. Okay.
That's the dive.
That was a 2 out of 10 dive,
Yeah.
mate.
It's a pretty terrible dive.
Yeah.
But
Don't think he'll be making the Olympics.
oh yeah, nah, I'm not making Olympics. Let's spin around and catch an actual big fish now.
Yeah. Let's catch that meatery, barracuda-y looking thing, eh?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I have. Bro, look at that.
Yeah, terrible.
Shit fish.
Worst fish in the world. Serious?
Is that a bite?
No, it's a braid.
Come on, mate, catch a fish.
I'm trying. It's impossible. It's the impossible fish.
Maybe crabbing. Maybe we're just crabbing.
Yeah, we're crabbers.
Maybe that's it. That's our call.
Yeah, we're just crabbers. We're nothing else.
Harrison, it's not about how many fish you catch, bro. It's about being on the water, having a good time.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not about how many fish.
But the fish does count.
The fish are an added bonus, and we're just out here having fun. Father and son time, that's what we're doing, mate.
Yeah.
Making memories. For
Making
the rest
memories.
of our lives. We'll talk about this time. When we go out fishing overnight, Dad promised huge results, big fish, and we catch nothing.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh wow. There you go.
Yeah, bro.
The sun is going down.
Right, let's get out. Alright, we're having an awesome time here, aren't we, mate?
Yep.
Real awesome.
It's not about the fish you catch, it's about the experience you have.
That's right. Not how many fish you catch, it's the quality of fish.
Yeah, but we aren't catching any of those.
Nah, we're catching nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to shoot off over this other island, get out of the exposed weather, and bunker up for the night.
Yep.
And hopefully tomorrow morning you'll see us catch some big
fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. It's up, some big fish.
Definitely. We'll be up nice and early.
Yeah, nice and early.
Check out those clouds. That's wicked, eh?
Oh yeah, that's so cool. Another cool sunset to add on the channel.
If it rains,
We're screwed. No
Yeah.
bimini.
absolutely screwed.
No tarp, nothing. If it rains, we're just... Yeah. Yeah, you just don't want to go there.
What do you reckon of a setup?
Oh yeah, this is premium location right here.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, 5-star hotel here. All right, guys, look what the time is. It's 9:14.
Backwards.
So,
The time was backwards.
oh, was it? Oh yeah, it is too. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed, but the next time you see us, we'll be at,
In the morning.
yeah, it'll be in the morning at like,
Early.
yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning. So until then, I'll see you then. You. It is currently, hang on, what is the time? It is currently 5:21 in the morning, and we had the worst night's sleep ever. But now we're gonna pack the boat up, pack the bed up, and we're gonna go out. We're gonna go fishing. So,
Thumbs up, brother. You. Boys are catching no fish.
all right, here we go. First draw.
Back again.
Alright, so what we're doing now is we've caught absolutely nothing. We're terrible at fishing, and we're dropping vibes. Here we go. Dad's caught pretty much the first fish of the day on the vibe.
Finally.
Oh, little trevally.
Trev.
A trev.
Trevally.
Well,
There you
that's the species you'll catch on a vibe, won't you?
I thought that was something good.
Yeah,
I thought it was like a emperor or something.
yeah.
It's very... Okay.
Check this out.
Say that again.
Oh, it's a little tuskish. We weren't recording, but a little tuskfish smashed the vibe.
You.
Ew.
Nice work, bro.
That's my first fish of the day. Yeah. And I've just took my shirt.
Oh, nice. All right.
Look at this.
You.
Oh, he spiked me. Little tuskfish on the little vibe. So that's awesome. We weren't even recording half that. But we'll throw them down and see if we can get something bigger. Look at this. Ready? We'll do the dive. 3, 2, 1. Dive.
See ya, bud.
See ya. Here we go. Dad's on.
You.
On the vibe.
It's another trevally, I can tell.
Yeah.
I got my money on it, it's a trevally.
Woo.
And it's gone. Yep.
Oh, you're on?
Yep.
Yep. Dad's on. Find him.
Yeah, that's a good one, man.
I can't catch anything. Come on, Dad. Bring her home.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, bring him over here.
Hang on, I don't even have my rod up.
We just smacked it. Stuffy rod. It's either a decent, it's gotta be a trevally. Has to be.
Catch and cook trevally time. I'm feeling it.
It's gotta be. Either that or it's a good reef fish.
Oh, I think it's Oh, it's just a big trevally.
It's a trevally. Oh,
Oh.
man.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh man,
Wow.
that's a good one.
Yeah.
You.
There you go. Dad's the only one that can get a fish aboard.
It's a GT.
Yeah. Baby GT.
Yeah, it's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Not gonna eat him because he'll taste like.
Nah. I'm not gonna eat this one. Right.
Alright, here he is, guys. There he is.
Little cool fish. Little GT.
Little GT, and she going back in.
Do the dive. Well, bit of a mess, that one. Check this out, guys. Just when you think it can't get worse. Dad's walking the boat because the the engine's not flushing water through it, so to stop it from overheating, we've actually now got to walk it to the boat through this sandbank. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But there you go. Just when you don't catch fish, you're walking a boat. All right, check this out. It was bound to happen. We're sitting at the bottom of the boat, and the boat is currently on a sandbank. It is only that deep, and Dad has sandbanked us. So we're eating lunch, and we're gonna be here for a couple of hours just to end the trip.
Yep.
What do you got to say, Dad?
Yeah, it's. I don't know. What do I say?
Don't take the shortcuts.
Yeah, don't take shortcuts. I tried to take a shortcut over a sandbank. Thought being a tinny I could sneak over it. Nah.
No, you landed straight on it.
Landed straight on it.
Walking up in these shallow flats here, and we found a cuttlefish.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, try and get up. Stay there. Oh no. This is going to move, isn't it?
Yeah.
No. We've got little sand crabs, so we're going to put that chicken there.
And we'll hopefully come over and eat it.
Hopefully.
This is premium footage.